Hey guys, this is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu. Hope you guys doing good. So be safe. That's what I used to usually tell to on beginning of my videos. Okay, today Nifty was went well, and today my call got jackpot, almost given 200-300 points in the bank Nifty call. That was brilliant call, and still Nifty is in a buy trend, so we can expect Nifty a buy trend till the November or in between November, before November or October end or some things, and after that gold might increase. Okay, that's a different part. Okay, today we're talking about outperform stocks for past 10 years, the past 1 years or 3 years or 5 years and 10 years. These stocks are given wonderful. You cannot expect these stocks like TCS or Wipro or Biocon or Cipla, not these kind of stocks. So some persons might doesn't know these kind of stocks names, would get an insight from this. Okay, so let's jump into the video. And before that, please subscribe my videos and the channel for more updates and all the things. In case if you have any doubts and any scripts, and you can ping me. And tomorrow my new batch is starting about the advanced class as well as beginners class. If you guys get interested, please ping me for more updates. Yeah, let's get into the video. The topic is outperform stocks for past 10 years. Okay. This is a wonderful stock because because just now I done this video presentation, and today exactly this stock has closed at 660 rupees, around that. And see the last 10 years, the first year given 50% return, and third year almost like 155 is more than almost like 80 more than 100% given return, and again 5 years 150, and see the 10th year 2,950%. See, when you see the ITC stock from 2000 to 2017, the stock has given 3,000%. Believe me, the ITC stock has given 3,000% returns from 2000 to 2017. It's true. It's true, guys. That's what. Once you hold the stocks for a long term, there might be a huge profits or kind of huge risk to you. Okay, the industry footwear. You guys know the industry might be you guys think that industry might be a Bata India. It's not Bata India. See the stock name. The stock names are some persons would be very surprisable. Relaxo. This stock is doing wonders. I say because once this stock has reached 600 rupees, I say the stock will reach 700 rupees. From 630, again the stock jump to given a small correction, again the jump to 660. Definitely this stock in upcoming days, this stock will reach 700 rupees. Mark my words, my guys. Okay. Next second stock. Okay, this stock is current price is 300 bucks. Okay, that's very good. And this is not a huge reputed stock as like others things like Biocon or Cipla or Cadila or like Sun Pharma, Rupam, not like that, because this stock is around 300 rupees. You might get some kind of difference. Okay. The first year given 250% return, and third year gives 145% return, and 5 years, fifth year is given 180 plus, and 10th year is 3000, again 250% returns. Okay. The market cap is 8,000 crores. That's very good market cap. So you always try to choose the market cap which is more than 500 crores. That's very good stocks. These stocks are very good. The industry is Pharma. Okay, that one is for fear. This industry is Pharma. Guess the stock name, I would say you guys might think Biocon or Cadila or Glenmark, some kind of thing, because but Glenmark doesn't reach 300 rupees, right? So there might be confusions. You guys, the stock is Granules. A wonderful stock, guys. Wonderful stocks. Nobody thinks Swing Pharma would go this kind of level. Same like this stock. This stock will do wonders in future as per technicals. Mark my words. This stock will do wonders. Yeah. Okay, let's get into third stock. The current market price is 1,091 rupees. Okay. And the first year gives 59% return, and third year gives 175%. That's very good figure. Fifth year gives 473, and the 10th year gives 4,400% return. And see, 4,400, a very good lucky number. The market cap is 20,490 crores. That's a very, very wonderful market cap. Yeah, because after about 20,000 market cap, the stocks will be very, very minimal. Very minimal stocks, not few, very minimal. Okay, the industry is chemical. See, always chemical industry does the wonder, but the government doesn't support much on chemical side. rather than fertilizers. The government focus on fertilizer, power, energy, on oil sectors, and the bank sectors only, not the chemical side. See this stock, Aarti Industries. This stock is doing wonders. The Aarti Drugs is also doing wonders, and Aarti Industries is also doing wonders. This is a very good stock to buy under 1091 rupees. Yeah, more than HDFC. This bank has given a very good returns, I would say. Yeah. Okay. The current market price is 5,844. This stock gives wonders, man. I tell you about this. This stock is a wonder. One of my bestie is holding this stock, and he got in a day he got 3,200 rupees profit with a pair of 4 stocks. Seriously. First day he got 327 percentage. Third year he got 941 percentage. The company got. Fifth year got 2,183 percentage. My God, is almost like 5 times from first year. And 10th year 5,068 percentage. Okay, that's great. The market cap is 8,775. Very less market cap when compared to Aarti Industries. Okay, that's great. Okay, that's one thing I was thinking about that. And industry is industrial machinery. Okay, let's see. This stock is surprisingly for everyone. GMM Pladar. This stock is when I was talking about this stock around 4,900 rupees. This stock. My friend got, my bestie got almost 3,200 rupees in a profit with a bunch of 4 stocks. In a day, the stock has moved up around 700 rupees in a single day. This stock is reached 6,000 plus. Again, given a small correction, kind of forming a triangle pattern, triangle pattern. The stock is moving almost like reduced around like 300 rupees right now as of now. Yeah. The final stock is again a chemical side. As I said, chemical is doing wonders. What a lucky number, 3,331. The first year 338 percentage, third year 735 percentage, and fifth year 1,004 percentage, and 10th year 6,780 percentage. Wow, again 1,000 percentage when compared to last stock. The market cap 6,525 crores. Okay, industry is specialty chemicals. This stock, GM Flata, I'm talking about. This stock supplies a medical instruments. It's an industry company. They supplies medical instruments. That's what this stock is doing wonders. This stock, let's see, Alkyl Amines Chemical Limited. Again, a very good stock. The price is too high, but okay, it's very good stock. Yeah. See, the last 10 years, these 5 stocks has given a compound annual growth rate. That's a wonderful financial term. This 10 stocks gives 10 years. These 5 stocks gives 10 years a 45% return approximately on 10 years. If you invested 1,20,000 as a capital for these stocks, these combined 5 stocks, definitely see the wonders. In 10 years, you get 48 lakhs. Wow, more than a mutual fund. Yeah, in first year I got 54,000, and third year I got 2,45,000. And 5th year got 6,49,000, and 10th year got 48 lakhs 10,163. That gives a gain, that gives a profit, plus capital gives 49 lakh 30,163. In 5th year get 7 lakh 69,168, and and 3 lakh 65,835, and 1 lakh 74,000. Okay, 48 lakhs, guys. That's it. See, when you go for I stocks. See, I pricing stocks gives high risk as well as high returns. See, for example, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala holder, he bought DB Realty stocks, which right now the stock is not a multi-bagger. The stock is demolished. Came into like penny stocks. That's what. Those stocks, when you hold for long-term returns, when you go hold for long-term, the stock might be given a jackpot to you, or given high returns or high reward, might be like a small profit, or in terms of high risk also. That's what. Please, once you got some kind of 15 or 20% or 30% profit, please close it, guys, for safety purpose. Please close it. See, when you invested 1,20,000 like 10 years back, that now stock has given 48 lakhs. That's what few guys might hold for long-term returns. Otherwise, 99% will hold. Just close it once I get some 10 to 5% profit. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe my video, and if you guys any doubts, and if you have any kind of technical analysis, you can join it. And if you need any kind of course, you can ping me, and stay tuned and be safe. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.